Threadless print-on-demand tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you Threadless print-on-demand and how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Threadless, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Threadless, it is an online community-driven e-commerce platform that specializes in custom design apparel, accessories, home decor, and art prints. When Threadless gained popularity by allowing independent artists and designers to submit their artwork, which the community could then vote on, with winning designs being turned into products for sale. And this unique model not only empowers creators by giving them exposure and royalties, but also offers customer exclusive artist-made designs that can't be found in traditional retail store. So now to sign in, you can click the link in the description, or alternatively click Sell Your Art button right here, or Join Us button, where you need to simply fill out to create an account, your email, your username, and generate your own password. Or alternatively, you could also log in or sign in using your Google account, Facebook, or Apple ID. However, in those options, I'm just going to simply fill out all of this required information. Then you will be directed in here. Then we can now start clicking Sell Your Art button in here. Upon clicking Sell Your Art, you'll automatically be directed on the page where all you need to do is simply enter the kind of URL that you prefer. For example, Reckless 22. Then click Create My Shop button. And once done, you'll automatically be directed under this homepage of dashboard, where you can upload from your computer files the kind of art that you want to add that will serve as your design. All you need to do is simply click here, drag your file here, and enter the title of your preferences. However, you need to have a primary file size, which is on Threads 8 panel, the kind of resolution it offers, or required, which is 4200 by 4200 pixel. Because if not, you'll not be able to simply upload the file like I'm currently doing at the moment. Upon uploading the file, even though it is highly resolution, but not the required resolution that they are requiring in here, the file will not being uploaded. But if you do, you could also select here after that the products, which is either home accessories, apparel. I'm going to choose here example t-shirts for men's, and any other details, including the price of it and many more. Moving on, under this products option, you should be able to see all of your products that has been added to your shop in here that you're currently selling. Alternatively, you could also navigate the collection if you have already entered here or upload some of the product you have. You can create here a collection for winter, for example, summer collection, and any other kind. Moving on, you can click visit your shop. By clicking on it, you should be able to see the result, including some of your product you're selling. And it will show you in your account some of your saved design and many more. You can click the publish now button once you already have created or signed in as a seller in here. Moving on, make it click about page, where you need to simply enter your name, your location, headline statement, the artist, owner, or bio, and any other required information, including your personal website, link for your social links, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and many more. You can even upload your own photo in here or cover photo. Moving on, aside from that, you can visit this Earn More, where it will show you some other things that you can do to start earning aside from selling your design in here on Threadless. And that might also include inviting a friends or referral in here, where it will show you your referral link that you can simply send to your friends directly. Moving on, under artist shop settings, you can also fill out the shop title of a specific art in here and any other details. Under sales and marketing, it will show you the pricing, where you can set your default prices to be 50% above, 60% above the product cost, depending in here, that you can adjust also. And it will show you below how it also applied to a product. For example, we have here $25 product that you made, or you make have a $7 for it every time sold. So below it will show you your current profit, or you could also adjust it depending on your likings or to your markup prices that you can adjust on the top panel, which is this one. Aside from that, on the earnings section, from here it will show you your total earnings based on the orders from the customer. It will show you the transaction, the pending sales, and any other data analytics. Under orders, you should be able to see all of the orders that has been sold from the customer. You can track here directly on this list. Moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate the payment info by clicking on it. It will automatically be directed you on a page where you need to fill out the payment information, including your full name, your mailing address, and even your phone number, and answer some of the question and enter your PayPal email address, where you could also start withdrawing some of your earnings. Aside from that, you could also navigate the shop orders or updates, where you need to publish first your shop to create here or navigate this. And aside from that, also this promo tools, where you need to create a product to enable this kind of tool, where you can start creating a tool for promotion and any other kind of coupons right here also with this kind of code that you can offer for your friends and family, with each corresponding discount upon purchasing your design that you've created or your product in here. You can even navigate these design challenges in which you can submit your design to be chosen or to be challenged by other kind of user also, or artists that has been sending or submitting their workshop or arts in here. And if you got choose or pick, you will earn an amount or money for it. Moving on, under help, you can navigate the help, the change log for some of the new updates of promotions and kind of data or news in here. Under creative resources, you can also navigate here some of this article that might help you in overcoming the challenges they provide or offer on this page. Now moving on, to see some of the artwork or sample, you can click on the artist, for example, and it will show you all of their design. And upon clicking, for example, any of this design, it will show you the mockup and other details. For instance, this one. Upon clicking on it, it will show us in here the kind of category, the kind of product, the design in here, the mockups, the performance, the pricing, the variation of color, sizes, in which we can serve or look this as our guide in creating or selling our own design in here on Threadless. So all you need to do is simply also fill out the product feature or the description that are needed. So all of this can be used as your guide in creating or selling your own on Threadless. So basically, the purpose of this Threadless is to simply provide a platform where independent artists and designers can showcase their creativity, gain exposure, and earn income by turning their artwork into products. And overall, that is just how you can use Threadless print on demand. Thank you.